Multiplying by 10, 100,000, 100,000, and 1 million can also be in different form, but just bear it in mind that you're still using the same method. Okay, if it is division, you count backward. If it is multiplication, you count forward. Okay, the first question here is 100,000 times 0.509. Since 100,000 has 50, it means you have to add 50 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you are counting forward, you're adding 50 to the front. Let's assume you are counting backward, or you have division here and you are counting backward. It means you're adding 50 to the back, not to the front. But here it is multiplication, you add 50 to the front. Then starting from this point, you count 5 numbers forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It means you've changed the position of the point from here to this place. Then the final answer is 0509 00.000. Okay, I told you any zero after point you can decide to cross it out, and if zero starts a number you can decide to cross it out. Then the final answer is 50,900 points, which is the same thing as 50,900. So it means 100,000 times 0.509 will give us what? 50,900. Same thing applies to question 2. Consider the number of zero that 1,000 has. 1,000 has 30. Add 30 to the front since you are multiplying. Then from this point, count 3 numbers forward. 1, 2, 3. Then you locate your point. It means you've changed the position of the point from here to this place. Then the final answer is 0607.000. And I told you any zero after point you can decide to cross it out, and if zero starts a number you cross it out. Then the final answer is 607 points, and 607 points is still the same thing as 607, which means 1000 times 0.607 is 607. Same thing applies to question number 3. Consider the number of zero that 1,000 has. 1,000 has 30. Add 30 to the front since you are multiplying. 1, 2, 3. Then from this point, count 3 numbers forward. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it means you've changed the position of the point from here to this place. Then the final answer is 887.000. And I told you any zero after point you can decide to cross it out. If you like, you can leave it in this form, it's still the same thing. Okay, then you can rewrite it as 88700 points, which is the same thing as 88,700. It means 1000 times 88.7 will give you what? 88,700. Same thing applies to question number 4. Consider of the number of zero that 100,000 has. 100,000 has 50. Add 50 to this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 5 numbers from this point forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means you've changed the position of the point from here to this place. Then the final answer is 023,800.000. And I told you any zero after point you can cross it out, and if zero starts a number you can cross it out also, or if you like you can leave your answer in this form, it's still the same thing. Then the final answer is 23,800, which means 100,000 times 0.238 will give us what? 23,800. Thank you. Please like and share this video.